Customizing CRM pipelines for different products can dramatically improve your sales process and make managing leads more efficient. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize CRM pipelines to match different products and keep everything organized. First off, it's crucial to understand that every product or service you sell has a unique process that needs to be reflected in your CRM pipeline. Whether you're selling a single product or a range of items, the key to success is tailoring your pipeline to fit each one. Let's dive right into it. Start by creating a separate pipeline for each product or service. This will allow you to track each one independently. In your CRM software, go to the Pipelines section and click Add New Pipeline. Label it according to the product you're working with. This helps maintain clarity as you move forward. Once your pipelines are set, it's time to create stages that reflect the specific sales process for each product. For example, let's say you're selling software and hardware. The stages for the software pipeline might include demo scheduled, trial activated, and closed won, while for hardware it could be quote sent, order confirmed, and shipped. These stages should directly mirror the steps that customers take from initial interest to final purchase. Now, it's essential to assign tasks, emails, and reminders specific to each product. For example, for your software pipeline, you may want automated emails to send trial links or tutorial content. For hardware, you might set reminders for order follow-ups and shipping updates. Personalizing these tasks ensures you're engaging customers at the right times. Next, focus on lead scoring within each pipeline. Lead scoring is key to prioritizing leads, but it should be customized based on your product. A lead who's showing interest in software might be scored differently than one interested in hardware, and your CRM software allows you to adjust scoring rules accordingly. One of the most powerful ways to customize your pipeline is by adding custom fields to each product pipeline. Let's say you need to track specific details, like hardware configuration for hardware sales or subscription plan for software. Adding these fields in your CRM lets you collect and use more relevant information during the sales process, ensuring you're staying on top of all the specifics for each product. Finally, integrate your CRM with other tools like email marketing platforms, invoicing software, or project management tools. This will allow for a seamless flow of information and ensure your sales process is streamlined from lead capture to the final sale. By doing this, you're making sure that all the steps, no matter which product you're working with, are automated, tracked, and optimized. By the end of this, you'll have customized CRM pipelines tailored to different products that will not only keep your sales team on track, but also improve your overall efficiency and customer experience. The key takeaway here is to ensure your CRM reflects the unique sales journey of each product and customizes your pipeline stages, tasks, and lead scoring accordingly. Don't forget, if you want to follow along with these steps, I've included an exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below. This offer is available only to viewers of this channel, so make sure you grab it before it's gone. So, to recap, create separate pipelines for each product, customize stages to reflect the sales journey, add relevant tasks and reminders, adjust lead scoring, and integrate with other tools to make your process smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial below.